Where's your lion? Wear this little shirt and your pink shorts. I've just got Elliot up from his nap. It's about, what is the time, babe? About 10:30?
Yeah.
It's 10:30 and today is an extremely exciting day because we've just been told we can go get the keys to our house. Can you believe it? It's finally happened. We haven't vlogged a lot about it over the last couple of months. There's been loads of ups and downs, which I think we'll talk about at some point, but it just got to the point where we didn't know what was happening, but it all got sorted out, and yeah, we've completed on house. We've exchanged, or obviously we've completed just now, and we can go and get the keys. So you may be thinking, then why is your house not packed up, Kate? Why do you have all your ornaments still out? We are going to be moving in quite a gradual process over the next few weeks. There's stuff we want to do to the new house before we move in. One of those things is re-putting in a bathroom where there's actually a shower room now, but it also means like knocking a wall out as well, so it's not a small job. So we need to do things like that before we can move in and live in it, and then we will be doing renovations once we've moved in too, because we can't expect to do everything in the few weeks before we move in. But yeah, I really am so excited to bring you guys along on this journey, because it's been something I've been wanting to do and waiting for literally my whole life. So yeah, so we're just gonna get Elliot dressed. I think Ricky's gonna finish his game of FIFA. I think he was playing to celebrate, weren't you?
What's that?
Getting a quick little game of FIFA and celebrate.
Elliot was asleep, the house was kind of tidy, so I thought, you know.
And Elliot looks like he's trying to join in. So yeah, we're gonna get him dressed and then we're gonna go and get the keys. And I think I'm just as excited as I was when we first got the keys to our house. So me and Ricky have been together 11 years and this is our first house that we've bought. So that's why it's a big deal to us. But I was still just as excited the day that we got our first rented house, which was about 6 years ago now. And yeah, there's nothing like, even moving out and renting with your partner or yourself should be just as exciting. I'm not trying to say because we've finally been able to buy a house that it's better than renting. If you're happy to rent forever, then that's great, and that's such a massive step and a milestone. But for me, it's always been the whole process of having a house I could do up. When I was a little girl, I'm so strange. I loved Barbies, but I didn't actually play with them like as you would. I used to like decorate the doll's house. And something that I've also done since I was really young as well is just sit and draw house plans of like my dream house, and I would draw them out, and I've done that even to this day. I still do it. It's just been something that's been such an obsession of mine. Like I used to redecorate my room every few months. I used to like paint it a new colour and move all the furniture around all of the time. So yeah, it's just, when you rent, obviously we have really lovely landlords that have let us paint, put what we want in the house. Obviously we have to put it all back to its original state when we move, so that's something else that's going to take a while to do. But I'm just rambling on basically, but it's just the whole process of decorating and renovating that I've been so desperate to do since I was a little girl. So that's why, yeah, that's why it's such a big deal to me, and I just can't, I don't think until we have the keys and we actually start doing stuff it's going to feel real. It doesn't feel real. And I think it's going to be a bit of a process over, I'd say, the next sort of 6 weeks to 2 months to get everything done. And there's going to be arguments, and there's going to be difficult points, and probably also things that I think I can have done that I can't, and that's where I'll be a little bit frustrated, and that's where we'll get to like a bit of a difficult point, but we'll get over it. And the most important thing is that we have a new house, and we want to be in there before Archie starts school in September, because I really don't want all the massive changes to come at once, even though it looks like that's what's going to happen. So I really want to concentrate on making the boys' rooms amazing and like really lovely, comfortable places that they are happy to be in, and get them settled really quickly, and just for everyone to be happy really. I cannot wait to do sort of an empty house tour, renovation vlogs, I'm also planning on doing one really soon on my mood boards for the house to kind of show you what I want for the different rooms. Yeah, we'll do like vlogs. I really want to get this, obviously I have to get this house organised, so I thought I could do organisation vlogs for each room as I'm like clearing them and packing them. There's just so much I can do, so I'm just now full of like enthusiasm for so many different videos and bits of content. Obviously I'll still be doing my normal sort of mummy content, fashion content, so that's not going to go anywhere, but I really hope that you guys are excited for what's to come up in the next few months, and probably like for a long time to come now, because I'll always be changing stuff with the house and doing stuff. It's basically my main passion, but I've never really been able to share it properly with you guys because I've always been limited in what I could do. So now I'm absolutely on cloud 9. So yeah, I think we're gonna, now I've spoken to you for like half an hour. No, not that long, but now I've spoken to you for ages. I think we're finally gonna get ready and go and get the keys. It's been a couple of hours since I last spoke to you guys. We couldn't go and get the keys as soon as we thought because they weren't at the estate agents. They were still just moving out, but we've just had the call to say that we can go pick them up. It's 5 to 1, so we're on our way to the estate agents now to go and get the keys. I think we're going to actually be really sad to leave our home because we have made it into a really lovely home over the last 4 years, and it's where we both, I can't speak, I'm like so excited. It's where we brought both of the boys home to, and it's always been both of their houses, that's all they've ever known. We got the keys! Oh my god. We're in! I didn't want to film us kind of like opening the front door and coming in because obviously like the front door is really private and personal, and we don't really want to make that public knowledge what our front door looks like, which I'm sure you can all understand. But yeah, it was really exciting. We came in, we had a quick look around everywhere. We're in what is going to be our sort of living dining room for a while until we make some changes. The boys are just having some lunch. We just had KFC on the floor. But we're so excited to be in. I mean, there's a lot to do. It isn't actually as bad as I thought it would be empty. The owners have left it really nicely. They've also left us some really nice lights in here. They're beautiful. So yeah, they've made it look as nice as possible as you can for an empty house. And we're just so excited. We're just waiting for my nan and granddad to get here because they're going to look, because our parents are all on holiday at the moment. Otherwise I'm sure they'd all be here as well. Ricky's just on the floor.
Like, I know it's ours, but it doesn't feel like ours.
No, but it feels right though.
Yeah.
It feels like home.
Yeah, there wasn't no, like, we didn't walk in and like feel bad.
No. I don't get that vibe.
No.
And I usually do with places that aren't good or are good. This little guy, bless him, he's got nothing here. So he's just making his own fun by pushing his pram base around. Elliot! You right, mate? You've just had a yogurt. Careful. Careful.
Ah, you got me.
Hello. What do you think of your new house? Good. Is this your new bedroom?
Up there.
It's upstairs, is it?
Fine.
Oh, okay. We'll come in then. This is a look at Archie's new bedroom. Sneak peek. It's not got any windows or carpet or paint, but it'll be alright for you. You can lay down in it, can't you?
I really need some paint in it. Oh my god. I finally have been removed.
Hello guys, I didn't really finish yesterday's vlog very well. I didn't end it at all actually. We were in such a kind of little happy bubble after we got the keys and everything. We just didn't film the rest of the day because it's a bit weird to know what to film, but I think I'm going to do this as like the start of the moving vlogs, and I'm just going to put a few days together so that there's more for you to see, because really there wasn't too much for you to see yesterday. We're just popping to home base now. We've got to go and get some locks for the doors, but I'm also going to look at paint and, you know, pretty things and stuff that I'm interested in, not the actual necessary stuff, because that's boring obviously. So yeah, I thought I'd just take you along with us for a little trip to home base.
I've never really been the one who's worried, always been the one who's keeping it cool. The kind of guy who chill while others hurry. I didn't know that I've been the fool.
So I'm here today at our new house with Kate's dad because we are going to start ripping stuff out. So I suppose day one is the first day of renovating our new house, which is very, very exciting. I'm super excited. Kate's really excited, but she's obviously at home looking after the boys. So I'm just going to run through basically what we're going to do today, just to give you guys a bit of an idea. So we are filming all this process and what we're going to do and what we're going to change in. Not quite sure if we're going to do it in vlog style or individual videos, but I'm sure that's something we'll work out very soon. So upstairs, as you can see, every single carpet is going to be ripped out because we're going to replace them all. And then all the way along the hallway, in here, the hallway, and in that end room is going to be the bathroom, which is what we're starting on first. So all this needs to be ripped out. The doors, the frames, and even some of the skirting is going, which we're going to replace. And then, I don't know if Kate has explained this, but this room that we just walked into now is going to be the bathroom, and everything in here is being replaced. And at the moment, this wall here has got the shower on the other side. That's going to be turned around, and then a full bathroom suite is going to be put in here.
Let's get it on to your favorite song. The night is young and you got me going on. Every single beat hits my heart so deep. Wanna wrap my arms around you cause you sweep me off my feet. Girl, you know that there ain't nobody moving like you. You know you got me. I love the things you do. Maybe I'm getting into trouble, but I just wanna be your lover. Cause you're making me feel I love when it feels right.
We've just finished ripping everything out that we need to. We've made sure the bathroom is going to fit, and we've drawn on the walls so it's actually going to work. So I don't know if you can really see, but the bath's going to go here somewhere, kind of unit here, and then that's getting knocked through for a shower eventually. But now we're just going to go and have a little lunch break and then come back and crack on.
It is just one of these nights. Love so strong, can't be lost all because of you. I love when it feels nice. You're the apple of my eye. Love so strong, can't be lost all because of you. Cause I love it. Love when it feels right.
Come round to have a little nosy, have you?
Yeah, it's a bit scared by the noise. You can hear it all down the street.
Can you?
Yeah, it's really loud.
It's almost down. So the first wall is almost down out of the two we're taking down. Hopefully the second one's going to get done today as well. And me and Kate are just going to go and get some lunch, and then we're going to go and look for some lighting.
Really want some more. Girl, you know that there ain't nobody moving like you. You know you got me. I love the things you do. Maybe I'm getting into trouble, but I just wanna be.
We're just in B&Q trying to choose some lights, and it's probably the hardest thing we've done so far. Like, you get to this point of wanting to do this to your house, and then you actually have to make a choice about something, and you can't make a choice. What about something like that? It's got a bit of character. What's that one up there? It's like some sort of spaceship thing.
Yeah, that is quite cool.
So that one there?
Yeah.
That's quite a cool one.
Put it at the top with all of the rings.
Oh yeah, that's quite cool. How much is the 4 one?
38.
Just doing the baby test.
Just pissing out the carpets.
Is that alright? Is this one alright? Does it feel nice on your toes? Does that feel nice?
Hi guys, so please excuse my dishevelled look. I've just put the boys to bed and I've popped round to the house. So I'm not sure how bright it's going to be because it's the evening now, but we're about 10 days into the renovation and I wanted to give you an update and show you what's been done so far. So the biggest difference so far is that the wall that was here has now completely gone. So you can now see the window. This is obviously a bathroom window. As you can see, it's translucent. but we're going to be swapping it for the bathroom one. So then the bathroom one will be translucent and the hallway one will be clear, if that makes sense. So we've got this lovely hallway space now. It doesn't look too lovely at the minute, but it's much bigger because our hallway only came to here before, and now we've got all of this extra space. So as you can see, the stud work is going up for the wall. So there's going to be a wall here, and behind there it's going to be our shower. Obviously this wall here is going to be knocked through into what's going to be the bathroom. So I know I've kind of shown you this before, and you're probably looking thinking, okay, it looks worse than the last time you showed us, but so much work has been going on behind the scenes. All of the lights have been not fitted, but the first fix has happened, so all of the wiring has been done basically. So we've got sockets and things in all of the rooms. The radiators are off, the new sockets are in, because they have to be higher up off the skirting board. As you can see, it was really low before, they have to be higher. So we're getting all that done. All of the walls have been completely stripped and then PVA'd, ready to be plastered. So yeah, I mean, I know it still looks like a building site, and believe me, I do just want to get in here now, but so much progress has been done. All the pipes have been laid for the new bathroom. Literally, there's been so much work happening here every single day. So I feel like next week you might start to see a bit more of a difference aesthetically, even though we do need to get everything plastered first before we can start doing the fun jobs. Sunday now, and the wall where the stud work is got knocked down yesterday, so I thought I'd show you at the same time that I'm seeing it. So I'll take you upstairs now. We're going upstairs, can't see anything yet because this wall's in the way. And then bam! Oh wow! Let's go in the bathroom, or what will be the bathroom, to get a bit of an idea. Oh wow! Yeah, that's just gonna feel so much more open. I know it's gonna have a screen on it, but this is where our shower's gonna be. I think there's gonna be, yeah, that's where the shower head's gonna go, is it? Or is that where the fan's gonna go? Oh, I don't know. Something's going there anyway. I guess that's gonna be a vent where you can see what will be the hallway is gonna be the switches and the little shower that's, so we're gonna have a big shower head up here and a little handheld one here. And round here, oh amazing. So I quickly thought the other day that we wouldn't have anywhere to put anything in the shower, you know, like all your shampoo bottles and body wash, it would all just be on the floor. So a bit of quick thinking from my dad, he's put in these sort of alcoves, so there's going to be one here and one here, I think. These are going to be really good because obviously we can put just different products on there whilst we're in the shower, and they'll be up and out of the boys' reach and stuff. So when you're in the shower, this will be the view now. So cool, I can't believe that wall's gone. So I think I've been filming for about 2 weeks now since we got our keys, just over. So I think now is quite a good time to wrap up this video and give you part 1 of the renovation vlogs. And as you'll have just seen, it will be like from the day we got our keys and the work so far. There's still loads to do before we can actually get in and I can do all of the like fun, pretty stuff. But I hope you've really enjoyed this. Let me know if you want to see more. I really want to document the whole journey. I'll also link below to my new Instagram home account, which is Kate Murnane Home. So I'll be updating loads on that. I'll still be updating on my normal Instagram, Kate Bobo. But it's just, you know, I thought it'd be nice if you're really into renovation and home projects and home decor to see more over there. So yeah, thank you so much for watching everyone. Give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to continue watching our journey of our first home renovation, and I'll see you in another video very soon. Bye guys.